Here, laboratory preparation of HCl gas. In the examination, you will be getting such type of question, that is, on the basis of laboratory preparation of HCl gas, answer the following question. The very first question may be, name the reactants. We know that during the laboratory preparation of HCl gas, the reactants are sodium chloride and concentrated sulfuric acid. Next question will be chemical reactions taking place, laboratory chemical reaction. So here sodium chloride, we can write here NaCl plus concentrated sulfuric acid, right here H2SO4 concentrated. The reaction is less than 200 degrees Celsius, gives sodium bisulfate NaHSO4 plus HCl gas. One more question may be in this way: write a reaction indicating the acidic nature of sodium hydrogen sulfate. So you write down as an acidic nature. So what you are going to write down is sodium NaHSO4 plus NaCl. Here you write down above 200 degrees Celsius, then it becomes Na2SO4 plus HCl. So in this way you write down the equation. Question number D. Why sodium chloride is preferred? Because it is cheap. It is cheap. Next, concentrated nitric acid is not used. We know that concentrated nitric acid is volatile in nature. So you can write here as, since nitric acid is volatile in nature, so it may volatilize along with HCl. How, next question is, how it is dried? It is dried by passing through concentrated H2SO4. Next, why CaO is not used as drying agent? CaO is not used as a drying agent because it reacts. Let us see. CaO plus HCl gives calcium chloride, CaCl2 plus H2O. So let us write here 2. So 2H, 2Cl, 2Cl. So we get this. So calcium oxide is not used as drying agent because it reacts with HCl to form calcium chloride. Question number F. How it is collected? So the gas is collected by the upward displacement of air. You can write here upward displacement of air, as it is heavier than it. Why it is not collected over water? Because it is highly soluble. Right on? Because it is highly soluble. Next, write your observation if the gas is exposed to air. If the gas is exposed to air, we know that in atmosphere water vapor is there. Hence, white fumes will be formed. Write on here. White fumes will be formed as it dissolves in atmospheric water vapor. How would you know the jar is filled with HCl? You have write only the equation. The jar is filled with all HCl. We can only understand if we bring a rod dipped in ammonium. If we the equation would be HCl plus gives ammonium chloride plus H2O. That is, dense white fumes will be formed. You can write here dense white fumes will be formed over here. Now next question is one more question you may get in ICS exam. The diagram will be given in this way, and here you have to identify gas A. So here this is blue litmus solution. So here you are getting gas A. Obviously it must be HCl. Next, name the color of the fountain. The color of the fountain will be red as acidic in nature. Next, what property of gas A does the experience? Don't write anything extra, because here the question they have asked you what property of gas, only the property of gas they have asked you. So simply you have to write down here highly solubility in water. Next, name another gas that can be demonstrated. In the next chapter you are going to read it, that is ammonia, NH3. One more diagrammatic questions, you can get it in the laboratory preparation of hydrogen chloride acid. Here it is, acid is given. Hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved. So first draw diagram. This kind of question may come, so you have to draw these two diagrams. Then why such arrangement is necessary? Number one, prevents back suction of water into the flask, and number two, provides a large surface area for the absorption of gas. We go with a few important chemical reactions. Number one, reactions of HCl with ammonia. Both are the gases and form solid ammonium chloride. Next, action with metals which are higher than the activity series of hydrogen. So when calcium reacts with hydrogen chloride, it produces hydrogen gas. Action on oxides and hydroxides. Whatever the action may be with oxides or with hydroxides, water is formed in both the cases. These two reactions are very important. This is reaction with thiosulfate. You can see that here sulfur, yellow color sulfur is precipitated, and here it is sulfides. Here we don't get any sulfur. Next, reaction of concentrated HCl with highly oxidizing agent like MnO2. It oxidizes to chlorine. So this is also one of the most important reactions. So you have to practice these all equations before your final board examination.